Welcome to my channel! Here is a crossword puzzle for you to solve. You have 5 seconds for each clue. Let's begin!
Across 1. Adverb form of polite. Politely. Down 2. Superlative degree of deep. Deepest. Across 3. Comparative degree of warm. Warmer. Down 5. Superlative degree of rich. Richest. Across 4. Comparative degree of early. Earlier. Down 6. Adjective form of power. Powerful. Across 7. Adverb form of loud. Loudly. Down 8. Adjective form of sun. Sunny. Across 8. Past tense of speak. Spoke. Down 9. Past tense of begin. Began.
That was amazing! How much did you score? Drop your score in the comments below. See you in the next challenge. Keep learning and keep puzzling!